if we encounter duplicates in the data and we want to remove them, we have an excellent feature called remove duplicates. In this list we have some duplicates, like here we have the same name, Terry, and the same details, and we want to remove it. And click any one of the cell and we'll go to remove duplicates here. So we can select all the columns, remove duplicates here, can select all the columns or some of it and click OK. Now it says 2 duplicates, values found and removed. This is a very important feature, especially our data is huge and hard to find duplicates values manually. So now we have removed all the duplicates in the data.